Hello everyone, welcome to new video. In this video, I will show you how to upload video on YouTube, so let's start. First open a YouTube and tap on this little plus. Then you need to go on upload a video. Now choose a video from gallery you want to upload. And tap on next. Now we will learning what is all of this. This icon is for thumbnail. And go tap on that. Then choose a picture for your thumbnail. And if picture like you, press done. Now we are go to another step, that is add video to playlist. Tap on this and choose a playlist you want. Now we are go to set visibility of video. First is public type. In this type anybody can see your feed. Second is unlisted type. In this type people can see video when you send link of them. And third type is private. In this type only you can see a video. Then we need to add a name of video. Now we are go to add description. When you done, go on next. And choose are your video made for kid or not. And select do you want to age restrict. And when you done, press on upload video, and that is it. If this video like you, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. Goodbye.